Missouri Representative Mark Parkinson proposing a similar idea. If the cops pull you over, they can check your immigration status to see if you're legal. Good idea or bad?
Well, I think that it'd be very, very precipitous for the Missouri legislature with only 2 weeks to go with a lot of necessary government reforms. We need to get to match up now what they've done in the budget to take on a contentious issue of that nature in the short run.
Yeah, are you saying it's just something for next session? But in general, are you satisfied with the existing immigration laws, or do you think we ought to pull them over and check their status?
I don't think folks, as they drive through our world, should be without some level of probable cause pulled over and required to show their papers.
If there is probable cause under Parkinson's bill, then Missouri would check to see if they are legal. Would you support that?
I don't think that is his bill. I don't think that's what's happened in Arizona. They're not. I think that Arizona requires individuals, regardless of who they are, anytime someone comes up to demand to show their papers, in essence, to say they're legal citizens. I don't think that's the hallmark of America, and I don't think that it's necessary to have that level of personal intrusion in the rights of individuals to walk freely in our society.
So I think the law that Parkinson is proposing would just formalize that into law. According to the AP, there has to be problems.
Once again, like I say, I've not seen Representative Parkinson's law. I do think, as we sit here right now, with 2 weeks to go in the legislative session, focusing our attention on getting the measures I talked about before passed. If people want to have a discussion after the legislative session's over about that and think about next year, they're certainly entitled to do so. But I don't want the legislature to lose attention on the lean up things we need to do in government. I don't want the thousands of families with autistic kids to be missed because of a debate about an issue that's not going to get handled in 2 weeks. But autism mandate clearly isn't a cue that it can get done. We don't want to make our streets safer. We've got a lot of work to do in the next 2 weeks, and we will not be distracted from the focus of that effort.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
How do you see what the Highway Patrol does now? I mean,